Hi people, I've got the new Kemppi 235 AC DC inverter set, brand new in the box. Just going to get it out and see how it performs. This is the package. It's the Kemppi set, top end set, AC DC. This is what you get in the box. So we're going to grab it out in a moment, take a proper look at it and see just how good this new Kemppi is. So out of the box and a closer look at the set. Very nice looking kit. It's the new model, brand new 2003 model, and it's a single phase. So we're going to get it put into the base. It's got a front panel, programmable. That's a lot fancier than the old one. I'm just going to show you the old one. So this is the old one. This is what we're replacing. Well, we're not replacing. We've got this to go alongside it. So this is the programmable Kemppi panel on the old one, with the slope up settings, all the rest of it, free flow, post flow, manual metal arc, TIG, AC, direct current, negative and positive, mix. So that was a great set. That's the Kemppi, and that was the 3000 AC DC. So we're going to have a look at the new one now. So the new one's, it comes with a few accessories. We've got a nice lightweight TIG torch, nice flexi Kemppi torch, nice bit of kit. So yeah, obviously we've got tungsten in there, ceramic cup, gas diffuser, that kind of stuff. And then we've got a reasonably nice return clamp and quality insulated lead. So the set itself's got a gas hose on the back, so we're going to have a look at that. So this is a quick release feature that Kemppi comes up with usually. Yep, same bayonet fitting, so pop that off and that'll come off quick and you can easily connect it up. I'll just show you. So that pulls off like so and give bayonet fitting straight onto the back. So drop it in. You've got all your information regarding your duty cycle, operating parameters, and like I said, it's a single phase 240 volt or 220 volt alternating current supply. So we've got a coupling to change that to a more substantial Euro socket. So 3-year warranty, and the other ones we've had for since 2011, so far going strong. So this one, if it lasts half as long as that, we're going to be doing well. So let's get it in the bay and see just how good this new welding plant is. So I decided to change the plug actually. I put a next size plug which goes straight into our socket. So I'm going to power up now and we'll just have a quick look at the set. What should come on, hopefully. So yeah, that's the first screen display we're getting from the Kemppi as it boots on. Shouldn't take too long, I wouldn't have thought, for it to power up. So what we've got on here then, so we've got a nice display, nice size screen. This control here is changing my amps, so we can turn the amps nicely. It's like a variable frequency oscillator. It's got a nice feel to it. So up to 230 amps, so we don't need that kind of power. Hit that button there, menu button. So we've got different features. So we've got 2T. I'll also have a little play around, get used to that. I'm just going to drop that down to about 70. Click that back onto my menu and go through some of the settings. So we've got weld assist, which is going to be parameters which can be saved, I would imagine. We've got change it from direct current to 70 amps, 50 amps. 2T will be 40, which is just your torch switch settings, so you'd have to press the button. Then we've got some slope settings to have a play around with. We've got a little bit of pulse, which again we can have a play around with. Turn that on or off, I would have thought. So just having a quick look at that. Yep, different options. So I'm just going to go back, hopefully. And yeah, first time I played with this, so I need to read the manual obviously. There's our current mode, alternating current, direct current, extra settings, manual metal arc, TIG tagged and other things, and a little bit of runtime information and what we were doing on our last weld. So very nice piece of kit, as you can see. the latest piece of kit. So all I've got to do now is connect up the gas supply, get some argon on it, and we'll take it from there. So yeah, I rather like that, and we'll see how it welds up shortly. Okay, I had a bit of a lunch break, and yeah, I've got it back up now. So we've got everything switched on. We've got the return lead connected, torches connected, 70 amps or thereabouts, and I've got some gas on. So yeah, like the torch, nice button. So checking the torch feature when I activate the torch, I'll just let you have a quick look at the screen. So you can clearly see when you're engaging the PTT, or should I say the torch switch. So yeah, good stuff. Let's see what it's like actually at welding. So yeah, I've got the base set up. I ended up changing the plug actually. I put a bigger plug in, I think I mentioned it already. So I'm going to try a bit of stainless out. It just so happens I've got a bit of scrap stainless steel here. So that will do. Let's see what first. So yeah, see how it welds up this material. It's just some 2mm stainless. A little bit of scrap material, stainless steel. Nothing exciting. And we'll give it a blast using some stainless steel TIG filler wire on this brand new setup. Hopefully I've got the return lead in the right socket. I'm just going to pull the torch round, just stick the tungsten out a little bit further. I'm going to do a T-fillet joint, so I need the tungsten a little bit, out a bit more. So you can tell it's all brand new, quite difficult to get hold of actually. So yeah, just go through the features. We've got the ceramic cup, which I'm pulling off there. Extended the tungsten, not sure what type of tungsten it is. So it's a serrated tungsten, cerium and tungsten mixed. Quite a nice all-rounder. Got a ceramic cup, number 6, that's the diameter. I'll shove everything back on. Obviously I don't need my tungsten sticking out that far. I'm going to have it set about, probably out about 10mm, 10-12mm, something like that. Give me a bit of clearance to manipulate the torch. When I'm doing this TIG joint, tangle the wires, and I'll see whether or not we've got the return lead in the right socket. If I have, it'll arc up. If I haven't, it'll just make a noise. So that's the noise I put, so I'll just swap it around. Now I've got the return lead hopefully connected in the right pole. Try again. Yeah, that's looking good. So I just want a bit of shielding gas on. I'm using some argon. Got a reasonable flow, about 8 to 10 litres per minute. Should have had it on already really. Here we go. So yeah, nice quiet arc, strikes up easy enough. Obviously controlling it with the PTT switch. I'm not using the forced T connection, I'm just using the single hold it on button 2T. So let's see if we can get an half decent fillet weld with this TIG set. So yeah, it's melting nicely. Torch is nice to hold. Very quiet machine. So yeah, I'm just doing what we call tungsten inert gas welding. This machine will do a mixture of active gas, inert gas, TIG, tag. Also it'll do what we call manual metal arc welding, MMA, stick welding. So there's the run. Just let it cool down a little bit. You'll see it a little bit better as it cools. Looking pretty neat. So yeah, very happy with that. Nice bit of tigging. I'll just do a little bit more. Let you have a better look at it when I've finished. So, slight bit of a tungsten inclusion there where I didn't quite take care, so I rushed it a little bit, but
seems to be welding really nice. I'll have to have a quick look at the parameters, see if we can sort out the 4-step torch switch. I prefer that. So let's have a look at that, see what we've done. Just let the weld cool a little bit. So yeah, pretty nice bit of welding there, doing alright with the TIG. Decent enough for the warm-up pass, using some stainless steel. So thanks for watching, and I recommend you get yourself a Kemppi. Best set going. Very expensive, but you're getting a lot of welding plant for your money. Thanks for watching the video. See you later on.